As we have officially started off the month of July, taking a quick look back at June, noting that Cheyenne did bring in its warmest June on record at an average temperature of 68.1 degrees, just outbeating 2006's average temperature of 68 degrees on the dot. Now, with the warm conditions, note though that throughout the month of June, we did bring in drier than normal conditions. We did bring in a few of those amounts that did equate up to an inch, but that left us still with more than an inch of a deficit when it came down to that precipitation. And what we've seen also throughout the last month is that the drought conditions have been expanding. Even the local Cheyenne area is underneath a severe drought, with much of the rest of the region underneath at least moderate drought to abnormally dry conditions. So something to continue to monitor, because we had really some efficient rain showers as we were rolling through some portions of the spring, and now summer has really been gradually drying out. So these are conditions to watch for the far future, but also to note for the near future, as we are within the holiday forecast. And this is a forecast where we are outside having bonfires, doing fireworks. So we want to make sure that we're celebrating safely, noting that we have those dry soil conditions. And at times there is going to be some breezy winds and warm temperatures, which can allow for fire spread to occur more quickly. So always make sure to know those laws where when it comes down to having fire conditions here over the coming days. Now, what we're watching over the coming days is going to be some active weather to continue. We've been watching some scattered storms, and those are at least going to last through about Wednesday before the weekend is going to look quiet, where we will have a little bit of a cooler start to the holiday weekend, but there is expected to be a rebound. So here into our Tuesday, what we're watching though is that a frontal system is sliding on through, keeping us with some likely chances for some showers and a few rumbles in the morning hours. And then we do turn to more of that northwesterly wind that will see some strengthen in the afternoon. Not a gusty day, but at least some breeze, bringing some 20-mile-per-hour winds through the region. So a little bit of a turnaround there trying to be noted, as temperature wise will stay near normal, especially as sunshine will still be around. Most of these shower and thunderstorm chances are coming in the morning hours. Know that there may be a stray rumble into our Tuesday afternoon as we top off near normal. But then Wednesday is expected to be our warmer day, where we will climb back up to above normal temperatures with some of those 90s across the Nebraska Panhandle. But we will note that into our Wednesday, we will be watching that a few stronger storms could organize across portions of the Nebraska Panhandle. So that will be our next more strong storm threat. But then we really watch that we'll pull back into another wave of moisture that is going to send those temperatures down as we head into our Thursday, limiting our storm threat, but it is going to keep us a little cooler there to start off the long holiday weekend if you're able to get those days off. We'll look at just again low 70s for highs, even low temperatures into those upper 40s. But then as we work into the weekend, we do have that bright sunshine to continue. Winds are looking to stay light, and we'll top off with those temperatures just around near normal.